My name is Mark Davis and I will show you how to assemble a PVG 32 valve. Tools required: 13mm spanner ×2, a torque wrench, 5 and 13mm sockets, a 5mm Allen key. You will need a clean area to build. Take the studs, fit nuts, washers to the small threaded end. Place these into the end cover. Lubricate O-rings and place in their respective grooves. Place the work section over the studs with the O-rings grooves facing up. Fit lubricated O-rings in their respective grooves again. Place inlet over studs. Fit remaining nuts, washers and tighten. Plug all open ports. Lubricate spools and insert into work section. Fit lubricated O-rings to handle bracket and fit to valve. Make sure you catch the hook. Torque to 8 Nm ±2.
Setting.
Fit end cap or solenoid, making sure all O-rings are fitted. Torque to 8 Nm. Move to flat surface and adjust valve till flat. Torque studs to 28 Nm. Valve manual link below. There is also valve testing and videos on the PVG 100 and 120 are available.